Why sky appears blue? Question is why sky appears blue? Answer. Step number 1. White light is made up of 7 colors. That is called Vibgyor pattern. Vibgyor. This is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And remember, this red color having maxima or longest wavelength, and this violet is having least wavelength, or you can say minimum or shortest wavelength. Now second point is Rayleigh's law of scattering. Rayleigh's law of scattering tells us scattering is inversely proportional to wavelength raised to the power 4. This concept tells us color with the shortest wavelength scattered most. Means, see, violet having shortest wavelength. So color with shortest wavelength scattered most. So as per the concept, violet having shortest wavelength, since violet having shortest or minimum wavelength, so as per this formula, wavelength of violet is minima, so scattering of violet should be maxima. Scattering of violet should be maxima. And violet should be the color of sky. The color which is maximum scattered, that appears on the sky. Our question should be like this: why sky is violet? But it is not. Our question is why sky appears blue. So point number 1 is this violet is scattering most because of minimum wavelength. Similarly, this indigo having shortest wavelength other than violet, so indigo must be scattering most. But these two colors having lesser quantity of presence. So when these two colors are scattered, then sky remains brighter white. Due to, I am writing it, due to scattering of violet and indigo colors, sky remains brighter white, little bit brighter, because their quantity of presence is very small in the spectrum of white light. So this is one aspect. Out of 7 colors, sky should appear violet, sky should appear indigo, but it is not, because these two colors, in spite of having shortest wavelength, their quantity of presence is very less, so sky remains white. It is like you are dipping your white cloth within a basket with violet color, it becomes brighter white. Breathe in again. Now out of remaining colors, see, these are remaining colors. Out of remaining colors, blue is the color with least wavelength. So blue color having least wavelength as well as more quantity of presence. So blue having least wavelength as well as having more quantity of presence in the spectrum. So scattering of blue. So we will say blue color is scattering most. Blue is the color scattered most. So maximum scattering of blue color is visible. So sky is blue. See in Hindi, white light 7 कलर से मिलकर बनी है, जिसकी वेवलेंथ कम होगी एज पर रेलेस लॉ ऑफ स्कैटरिंग, जिसकी वेवलेंथ कम होगी उसकी स्कैटरिंग मैक्सिमा होती है. वायलेट और इंडिगो इनकी वेवलेंथ सबसे कम है, शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ, तो इनकी स्कैटरिंग सबसे ज्यादा होती है वायलेट और इंडिगो की, लेकिन इनका लेसर क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंस होने के कारण दे आर स्कैटर्ड ऑल ओवर इन द स्काई एंड स्काई रिमेन्स व्हाइट. सो बचे हुए कलर्स में से इन सबका क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंस सफिशिएंट है, तो आउट ऑफ रिमेनिंग कलर ब्लू इज द कलर जिसकी सबसे कम वेवलेंथ है और थोड़ी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंस है एज कंपेयर टू वॉयलेट इंडिगो. जैसे आप कपड़े को धोते समय नील में डालते हैं, वो ब्राइटर व्हाइट हो जाता है. इट इज सेम विद द वॉयलेट एंड इंडिगो. इन स्पाइट ऑफ कलरिंग द स्काई दे मेक इट ब्राइटर व्हाइट. So out of remaining colors, blue having more quantity of presence as well as least wavelength. तो blue की wavelength सबसे कम होने के कारण blue की scattering सबसे ज्यादा होगी, और जो कलर सबसे ज्यादा scattered होगा वही हमें आसमान में दिखाई देता है. So sky appears blue. Got it?